butt steaks. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Pitmaster Cheez. We're out here at Penny Creek and Johns Island, South Carolina, cooking up some beautiful Cooper River Farms pork. We got some beautiful pork steaks here. We got our beautiful, beautiful Cooper River Farms butt steaks. Man, look at the marbling in there. It's beautiful. It's one thing I love about Cooper River Farms, man. Beautiful, beautiful meat every time, consistent, man, quality hogs. You can tell, you can look at the marbling and tell they're fed right. I'm gonna do two things today. I'm gonna do two with the all-purpose barbecue, that style, but I'm gonna flare it up and do two with that hot lemon pepper garlic. And again, we're gonna throw these on that Masterbuilt smoky. Light drizzle of oil. So I'm gonna lightly get a little sheen on my pork. Always shake your rub. Always shake your rub. We don't want to leave nothing at the bottom. We want it to hit the meat, baby. So we come in here, see the colors in the flakes? See, if it ain't coming out like that with them colors in that flake, hey, shake that bottle up. We need it all in there. That salt, pepper, and that garlic. So we're gonna hit that side. Boom, 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 boom. There it is. Always shake your rub, baby. I like to let that go ahead and sit in that first layer. Give it about 20-30 minutes. Let it sweat into the meat. Add some new flavor. Hot lemon pepper garlic, baby. I know they usually got the lemon, they got the pepper, but they ain't got the heat and the garlic. And look at that. Look at that. Yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and pop that open. Look at that color. And see, once we let this sweat in, you're gonna see what that lemon do to that pork. And you don't need a whole lot. Oops, see? When that color change up, it's like shifting from gold. Get all them colors in there. You need all them colors in the box. There we go. We're gonna put that on there a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and put our second coat on over here of our barbecue rub. So, oh man, look at the colors. I tell you, them colors are beautiful. Gonna put some pork rub on here. Now you probably say, well, man, why do you use the two? This is a sugar-based rub. There's not a lot of salt content. You know, pork needs salt, so that's why, to me, pork needs salt. But hey. So hopefully we get this trace. Oh yeah, they're ready for a sear now.
What are we tossing in there?
Oh man, we got some thyme, we got some fresh rosemary. lemon, pepper, garlic, baby. Cooper River Farms, business song.
So they say every great city has a great river, right? And Charleston has two rivers, the Ashley and the Cooper, and they meet in the Charleston Harbor to make the Atlantic Ocean.
Good white water. I don't know. We might have to fight for the ball, buddy. We might have to fight for this ball. Look at him. He want it. Now that's what you call a pork steak. Nice, tender, juicy.